everyone, this is Trisha and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make this pumpkin pie with a walnut topping. This is a crustless pumpkin pie. Alright, so I'm going to start off with preheating my oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I'm going to spray this pie pan with some baking spray. So our first ingredients are 3 eggs. These are 3 large eggs, and I'm just going to beat them. To the eggs, I am going to add 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and I am using this brand, Swerve, of a sugar replacement. I'm adding 15 ounces of pumpkin puree. This is not pumpkin pie filling, it is just puree. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. This is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm also adding 1 3/4 teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And last, I'm adding 3/4 cups of heavy cream. And I'll mix it all really well till it's all nicely blended. And you can use a hand mixer or use a spoon. All right, it is all nicely blended, and now we're going to put it in our pie dish. Alright, because I don't have a crust for my pie, this is completely optional. I've got some walnut pieces here, and I'm going to go ahead and crush them up a little bit with my rolling pin and sprinkle them on top. Okay, so this is what I've done with my walnuts. Now I'm going to sprinkle them, and I feel this will substitute for the lack of crust and give it a little bit of a crunch. Again, this is completely optional. Okay, so I've added about a cup of these crushed walnuts to the top of my pie. I feel some of them will sink in, and that is perfectly fine. Now I'm going to put this in the oven again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and it'll be in there between 30 and 40 minutes. I'm going to put my timer for 30 minutes and check it just to make sure it isn't getting too dark, and then we will come back and see how this looks, and we'll let it set. And here's our pie after 40 minutes in the oven. I'm going to let it cool off and let it set, and then we can go ahead and cut into it and give it a taste. Okay, so I think it's time to slice into our pie, and let's see how it stands up. Ooh, so it's a little soft. I think it could have used a little more time sitting, but there we go. All right, so here's my slice that I've taken out. It looks really good. It is still warm, so I think that if I let it cool off a lot more, maybe even put it in the fridge for a bit, that it would set up really nice, and it would cut up or slice up a little nicer so it doesn't fall apart like that. But otherwise, you guys, this comes out really great. Let's give this a little taste. My mouth is watering already. There we go. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is absolutely delicious. I feel with some whipped cream, it would take it over the top with lots of flavor. This has been a wonderful recipe. I really enjoyed it. I hope that you will try it out. I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up, and I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up and leave a nice comment down below and let me know what you think of my recipe. If you have any ideas to change this around a little bit, let me know so we can go ahead and try that. I want to thank all of you who have been subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you for all your likes and your wonderful comments. Please, if you haven't subscribed, hit that red subscribe button and then hit the notification bell. There's a little bell right next to where it says subscribed, and you'll be notified of when I put up videos, which is twice a week. So again, everyone, please share on your social medias. Enjoy this wonderful pie. It is absolutely delicious. What else can I say, right? I made it myself, so it is so good. This is perfect for someone who's on keto, or if you're watching your sugars. It is perfect, and it is a nice treat. I can't say that enough. And with that, enjoy.